everyone, this is Balbeat View. Everything good, everyone good. My name is Mayanka and I'm 10 years old. So let's start. Today in this video, I'm going to show you my birds, what I feed them, what I provide them, and a small surprise. So let's start. So this grayish whitish bird is a female and her name is Goldie. This blackish grayish bird is Berry and he is a male. So I provide them with clean water, then plain seeds, which is this one, and then this swing and this calcium blocks. They love to eat and drink the water, the calcium block, and love to swing on the swing. So now I am going to tell you that what I feed these birds. These two birds can eat the spinach, the coriander and bajra, and they can also eat corn seeds. So this is the zebra finch pair. So this is a small cage, but enough for these two naughty birds. Now let's move on to the next cage. So this is the next big cage, and this is Rio, a male parakeet. This is Flora, a female budgie, and inside is Frida. So where is Frida? Frida, where are you? This is the surprise. This is the baby, and this is Frida. This is a female parakeet. And yes, they have small babies. So they are total in 10. But these all come to look at the outside world. 4 to 5 kids look the outside world. So Frida is being a protective mother because these all birds are untamed birds. So let's talk with Rio. So Rio, you are very happy now. Rio. You're happy? Good bird. Good bird. Lola, are you happy? Yes. Lola is also happy now. Yes. And I provide them with one swing and two swings, clean water, good food, which is a mix of this plain seeds, this fruit mix with natural fruit flavors, Pet's Life, and this mixed seeds. So this is for budgies and parakeets, but there are other sizes. This is L, this is ML, then this is M, this is S, and this is XS. So this is small size, S size. This is for budgies and parakeets. So Frida is looking, and there are babies also looking. She is very protective, so she is trying to hide the babies. She is looking at us. Frida, are you happy? Tell me, are you happy? You are very happy? A very good bird. Good bird. And you might be wondering that why I have kept this box here. This white box. So this box is meant to keep because when the babies fall from inside, so they will fall into this soft cotton box. So they will not get hurt. So I am going to show you the babies. So one is looking here. I am going to show you. See, this one is looking. Hello, baby. Hello. Hello. There's one more. looking, and Frida is also watching. Frida is being very protective, but still these naughty babies are trying to see the outside world. So you can see that this one is looking, and I am going to show you more chicks. So this chick is trying to flap its wings. You can see this one is being very active, and Frida is trying to stop. So this is also having fun. This is Flora's child. Flora's child. Flora. Flora. This is a very scared bird. She will scream when she will think that I am in attack. She will think that she will be in attack. So these birds are having fun time inside. This bird is trying to love the small bird. This is Flora's child, so cute looking. Frida is going to come out. Frida! Hello, Frida. How are you, Frida? I also provide them with spinach, coriander, corn seeds and bajra. So Rio is very happy. This bird is very happy. Rio is very happy. And this is Frida's child, which is looking out. This bird has developed most of its feathers. So you can see the blue chest of this bird. This is Frida's and Rio's bird. Where is Rio? Rio? Rio, you are here? See, your child is looking at you. So this bird is one of the most biggest birds in the breeding box. So Frida is trying to protect you. I am not going to do anything to your bird. Oh, hello. So you can see it is trying to come out, and Frida went so that he could not fall. He or she, we don't know. Is it a male or is it a female? We can understand it clearly after 1 year. So they will grow into this size looking birds, but still babies, after 1 month and 1 more week extra. So 5 weeks it will take to grow a baby budgie to an adult looking budgie. Frida. Hello, Frida. So, thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for these cutie pies. And click on the bell icon for more notifications. Bye.